Alright, going to be installing this MOLLE panel that bolts up right here. That way you can add accessories and stuff to it without having to drill onto the dash. It has this little bracket right here that actually goes in place of this door speaker. Kind of showing it like right there how it goes connected, and then this bolts up to this. So we'll go ahead and get that started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use this pry tool to pop up the speaker grill, which exposes the 4 mounting points. And we're going to grab one of each and one of these and put them in this slot. There we go. Then we're going to go ahead and grab the bracket and start attaching it with the provided bolts. Alright, so we have the mount already mounted up, and this is really sturdy. Now we just need to line this up. Actually, my buddy Peter told me to put some foam on here just to protect the dash from this 3D printed spacer. So I went ahead and did that, and should go right there. Let's grab the screws. Okay. And we got one right there. We got another one right there. Next one here. And the last one in the top right corner. Just turn them down because there's barely any room for the socket, even though I have an Allen wrench somewhere that's this specific size, but I can't find it right now. And as you can see, it's all finished. It's very sturdy, and now we actually have it all mounted.